Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a digital vision board for 2022. I already created one on how to create a vision board, but this one is different. The other one, it's traditional siya. So ilalagay mo siya sa corkboard or something na board na pwede mong idikit sa wall mo or pwede mong ilagay na madali mo siya makita. But this one, we are going to create it digitally para malagay natin siya as a desktop wallpaper or maybe desktop background. At pwede din natin siyang gawin na phone wallpaper or phone background. And if you like the template that I created, I will put a link below para you can just download it and customize it para maging sa'yo talaga siya. Like change the picture, change the color, change the text, and so on. So if you're asking, so what is a vision board? So vision board is actually a visual representation of your goals and your dreams in life. Pwedeng mga photos yung ilagay mo, pwedeng maglagay ka ng mga quotes or mga phrases or mga words that you want to vibe in the next few years. So as what I have said, I already created mine before 2019. So I want to share this first sa inyo. And this one, pretty nasa corkboard siya. Tapos inakano ko lang ng mga pins. Most of nandito is na vibe in ko talaga this last 2 years and even this year din na ano ko siya, na-achieve ko siya. But meron akong mga things dito that I don't like na. Hindi ko na siya gustong ma-manifest. So, I decided to create one and make it digital instead kasi mas feeling ko, mas always akong nakatingin sa phone ko, mas always akong nakatingin sa computer or laptop ko. So, why not create a digital one? So, yeah, with that being said, I want to share with you on how am I going to create mine. So, for the step 1, write down first your goals and dreams for the coming years. 2022 to 2032, yung mga ganun. Hindi necessary na pang next year lang. Yung parang long-term vision mo or long-term dreams mo, pwede mo din siyang ilagay sa vision board mo. You can reflect on to this aspect sa life mo, ang faith goals mo, ano ba yung health goals mo, career goals mo, mga personal goals mo, travel goals, money goals, business goals, yung the kind of lifestyle goals, yung life purpose goals. Sa gilid ng mga sinabi ko, i-write mo doon exactly or very specific talaga na kind of goals mo for those aspects in your life. So, that is the first thing that you need to do para mas madali kang makahanap ng pictures and photos na magre-represent doon sa mga goals na nilagay mo. The second step is to go to Pinterest and create a parang mood board doon for your vision this coming years. So, I created mine last night and nagsa-start na akong mag-pin doon. And I'm planning that I will continue doing that for the rest of the year. Like, parang inspiration goals ko lang na ito yung gusto kong ma-manifest sa life ko this coming years. I will just keep pinning sa board na yon and I will also share that to you. Ilalagay ko sa baba yung link para makita nyo din yung mga gusto kong ma-vibe in this coming years. The third step is go to Canva and set a customized size. Talagang naka-base talaga sa desktop size nyo, yung desktop display, and set nyo siya kung hindi nyo alam kung paano kunin yung right size ng desktop nyo. I'm gonna create a quick tutorial, just check this video here. Okay, so this is how we are going to get the exact size of the screen resolution or display resolution sa ginagamit natin na laptop or computer. So, for now, I'm using MacBook laptop. So, dito, click mo lang tong icon na Apple here, tapos about this Mac. Tapos may mag-pop up here. Dito ka lang sa displays na menu. So, ito yung ilalagay mo na size sa Canva. For Windows naman, the same din. You can type display settings doon sa parang search bar. Doon mo din makikita yung resolution para talaga sa desktop mo. May nakalagay doon na recommended. So, yun yung kunin mo, the recommended size. So, again, iba't ibang size yung laptop natin, screen resolution or display resolution. So, it's really better to get the exact one. So, log into your Canva account. But if you still don't have an account, you can click the link on our description box para maka-sign up kayo. But if you have already, just directly search here sa what will you design, a vision board, and it will give you a lot of recommendations. Ito, tapos pwede ka rin pumili kung ano yung mga categories mo, ano yung sizes mo na gusto. The modern style, minimalist style, kung ano yung kind of style na gusto mo. Even the theme, you can also pick one here. But, nakapili na ako nito actually. So, I got here. These are the 3 feels that I like to replicate. So I will create mine. First, go here, create new design. Tapos, custom size ko. Laptop ko na size. So, ayun, kung naset nyo na yung size, dito na tayo magsa-start na magbuo ng ating vision board. Gusto ko siya mag-lean onto parang pink. Pink. And then, I like the border na parang white something. So, I'm gonna copy this. So, ayan. So, yan yung bet ko. Tapos, the thing that I'm going to put here is from the Pinterest. For the faith goals, let me check. So, ito yung ginawa ko na board. I will pick here for my faith. I like this. So, right-click ko lang siya, tapos copy image. Wait lang ha, I'm just going to delete na lang. Ayan. Tapos, paste. So, copy and paste ko lang yun. Dito ko ilagay yung faith. Sa health goals naman. I like this girl. So, copy ko lang siya, copy image, para hindi na necessary na i-save ko pa siya sa computer ko. Kasi it will take space na naman. Tapos, ilagay ko siya somewhere for work vibe na naman. Okay, so, I want you to pick something talaga ha na like nyo. Huwag kayong mag-pick na parang, okay, sige, yan na lang. Dapat, when you're going to pick a picture, dapat super like that. Yung ganun na vibe. We are looking to have an intense feeling every time makita natin photo. Isa yan sa reason na magiging effective talaga yung vision board mo if it will give you that feeling of excitement, that feeling of positivity, yung ganun. Yeah, the YouTube thing. I want this. This is a vibe that I like. Wait lang, hindi to siya nasali sa vision board ko. Pero I think this one is really such a vibe. Travel and money goals. Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Oh, this one is so cute. I like this. Okay, I will change the other one. So, I like that. I like that better. I'm thinking kasi the reason why I want to change this because I feel like the color is too much. Ayun. Ayan. I like it. Parang I want this. Let's aim for at least, gusto ko lang mag 100k subs tayo. For the BossedUp fam, can you please help me achieve this? Yeah. So I think this is really good na for me. Like, the simpler, the better. So, para hindi siya matabunan sa mga icons natin sa desktop natin, we are going to adjust it here. Smaller. So, let's try and download it. Naka-PNG siya. So, change desktop background. Here. Choose. Oh, it's so cute. I know, now we have to. Let's just do something like that. So, let's see. Change background. So, yeah, I think this is really cute and really nice. But, if you want to parang make it the same feel talaga yung color, we can download it. I will let you see mamaya kung paano gagawin. Now, let's go to
create new design. Gawin natin Instagram story. Or you can just go here, resize here, resize. Let's make it Instagram story. Copy and resize. So, ito yung natin. So, ayan. Let's just move it to center. And then, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng parang titles. So let's change the color. I'm attracting all the beautiful things and events in life. Download ko siya. Tapos, edit natin siya sa VS Code or Lightroom.
After that, if natapos niyo nang gawin yung vision board nyo but you want a color na parang aesthetic looks, I would highly recommend that you are going to save it and upload it on VS Code or Lightroom para ma-adjust niyo yung color ng picture and maging the same lang yung aura nila.
Okay, so go to VS Code or Lightroom kung saan mo gusto. But for me, I want to try VS Code for this. Click mo lang yung photo, tapos click edit. Maraming mga presets dito na pwede mo nang gamitin. Kahit for free lang yung account mo. Here, meron akong nakitang gusto kong gamitin since ito din yung always na ginagamit ko. It's the C1. Tapos, adjust ko lang ng mga around 7. Let's say. Tapos, click mo dito yung contrasts. Yung contrast, binababaan ko ng konti. This one, the balance. Like that. And then, that's it. Hindi na siya masyadong need pa ng sobrang editing kasi the pictures that I got is hindi naman siya medyo contrasting to each and every photos. So, for me, I'm happy now with that. Save to camera roll.
After that, you can now set your desktop background and desktop wallpaper. It's up to you kung saan nyo siya iset. But for me, I prefer desktop background and sa phone wallpaper siya.
And now, let's try to see if maganda siya lock screen. So, ito yung difference. Ito, diba, parang the colors are good. But then, tignan nyo, parang naging mas cohesive yung color niya compare dito. Ang green is super napaka-green talaga. Ang blue, super napaka-blue. But this one, green pa rin, pero medyo may connection na sila sa color, diba? So, that's why I like using VS Code. That one. Set. Lock screen.
I hope this video motivates you to create and plan for your dream life, for your goals na ma-manifest talaga siya in the coming years. And don't forget to tag me if you create one ha. Tag me on my Instagram at BossedUp PH and at 𝐵𝐸𝐺𝐻. I'll be waiting for your output ha. Feel free to let me know if you have further questions about it. So before I'm going to end this video, I would like to flex the works of my boss babes and bosses and some group. Check this out. So if you want to join our Facebook group, just research I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐵𝐸𝐺𝐻, and don't forget to like our Facebook page, BossedUp PH, and follow us on our Instagram accounts at 𝐵𝐸𝐺𝐻 and at BossedUp PH. So yeah, hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!